Massive markups aren't stopping the 2023 Toyota Sequoia. It might not be the best time to buy the Toyota Sequoia right now, but that's not stopping eager drivers. Even though the 2023 Toyota Sequoia is plagued by massive markups, this new SUV is flying off the lots. Why does the 2023 Toyota Sequoia have significant markups? Fans have been waiting for the 2023 Toyota Sequoia to come out for years. It just got its second redesign in 2022 years. The old look and style have been around since 2005, so fans are pretty excited over the new face and enhanced capabilities. However, Edmunds listed the 2023 Sequoia on the list of the top 10 vehicles with the highest markups. On average, shoppers are spending $2,985 more to take a Sequoia home. It has an average manufacturer-suggested retail price (MSRP) of $73,936, and the median transaction price is about $76,921. But the entry-level MSRP starts at $58,365. People must be going above the base model for more luxury and capability. Limited inventory and high demand may contribute to higher Sequoia prices. In September, only 9 new models were sold. However, new inventory is finally reaching the dealer lots. Plus, everything that people love about the previous generation is now even better. Yes, the 2023 Toyota Sequoia is worth waiting for. It's a much improved 3-row family hauler with an enhanced fuel economy and upgraded power. Hopefully, it will carry on the reputation of being a long-lasting, dependable SUV. The 2023 Sequoia has an iForce Max hybrid powertrain. A 3.4-liter turbocharged V6 engine is paired with an electric motor to crank out 437 horsepower and 583 pounds-to-foot of torque. The outgoing model has a 5.7-liter V8 engine with 381 horsepower and 401 pounds-to-foot of torque. With the old Sequoia, you can tow up to 7,400 pounds and carry a payload of up to 1,370 pounds. The 2023 Sequoia can pull up to 9,520 pounds and carry a payload of up to 1,730 pounds. Also, the outgoing model gets an EPA estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city and up to 17 miles per gallon on the highway, which is rough. But the hybrid setup helps the 2023 Sequoia get an EPA estimated 21 miles per gallon in the city and up to 24 miles per gallon on the highway. The Sequoia TRD Pro rides on 18-inch TRD alloy wheels wrapped in 33-inch tires, has protective skid plates, dual exhaust tips, an electronic locking rear differential, a TRD front stabilizer bar, Fox front coilovers, and rear remorse reservoir shocks. What comes standard with the 2023 Sequoia? The 2023 Toyota Sequoia is a bargain. The SR5 kicks things off with 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, LED headlights/fog lights, 3-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, a 360-degree surround view camera, and a power moonroof. You also get an 8.0-inch infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, a digital gauge cluster, keyless entry, blind spot warning, and parking sensors. Standard safety features include forward collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, lane departure mitigation, automatic high beams, traffic sign recognition, and rear cross traffic alert. With the 2023 Toyota Sequoia hitting the lots, it's hard to resist. However, you might be able to get a better deal if you wait for more inventory to arrive.